The bird of paradise, named in honor of a queen, is, in my humble opinion, worthy of royalty. There are two dominant varieties. The iconic orange and blue bird-like flowers. The plant stays relatively compact at about 5 to 6 feet. It has a banana cousin known as the great white bird of paradise. It features white and dark blue flowers and can reach a massive 33 feet outdoors and 6 feet indoors. Unlike most flowers pollinated by bees, it is specifically designed for sunbirds native to South Africa. The landing strip, the blue petals of the flower, form a specialized sturdy perch. When a sunbird lands on this perch, the weight of the bird forces the flower open, dusting the bird's feet and the breast with pollen to carry to the next plant. This is an indoor curse. Kept indoors, it'll almost never bloom. It requires intense sun and natural pollinators to trigger. They are sun eaters. Minimum of 5 to 6 hours direct sun, facing south preferably. Multiplication is by division. The larger the pot, the better. I use planter-sized pots. The flowers are sturdy and hold up to our northeast wind conditions. The perfect tropical potted plant.